Ouch! My tooth hurts. It hurts so much.
What's wrong, Tom?
My tooth hurts.
Let me see. We should visit the dentist.
I don't like dentists.
Everything will be okay.
Soon they reached the clinic.
I'm a little scared.
The clinic looked friendly.
I hope it won't hurt.
Be brave.
Hello, Tom.
Hello, Tom.
Come with me.
Please sit down.
The examination began. Open wide. I found the problem. We need to keep an eye on this spot right here.
What's wrong?
You have a small cavity.
Tom felt embarrassed. Don't worry. I'm being brave.
You're doing great.
The dentist worked carefully.
Good job, Tom.
My tooth feels better.
This is for you.
Thank you.
Brush twice every day. I promise I will. 100 out that.
Ura nanyo. Ang kondi gonda slaychet. Any kawasaid.
I won't forget tonight.
Tom brushed very carefully.
My tooth doesn't hurt anymore.
Look at my smile.
Healthy teeth make a happy smile.